What would you take with you to Mars?
Skis. I'm originally from Anchorage, Alaska, born and raised. Grew up going commercial fishing up there, as well as doing a lot of ski racing at Alyeska. Ended up going to undergrad to study mechanical engineering at the University of Denver, and followed that up with a Fulbright fellowship in Italy for a year. After that, spent some time at the University of California, San Diego, doing my doctorate in materials engineering, studying bone fracture. Following that up, was really lucky and got to work a couple seasons down in Antarctica, drilling ice cores as a technician supporting climate research. And now, for the last pretty much my entire professional career, I guess, I've been working at Space Exploration Technologies. So when I was younger, I used to read all about the explorers of the past sailing around the world in big ships and finding new continents, and I kind of felt like I missed my time. But once I realized kind of what space was, I realized that was actually the place that I wanted to go. It's kind of probably one of the remaining frontiers for exploration and to try to push the limits of mankind. Different from last time around, this time they actually told us the exact date that they'd be calling us, which made things pretty nerve-wracking. But at the time, I was working in the Launch Control Center for this upcoming space station resupply mission, and had just gotten up off my console to take a break, and the phone rang. So pretty good timing on the part of the folks back in Houston to call right at that moment. It was a pretty awesome moment. I think it's just kind of the way my brain is wired. So I don't know if it's so much of a choice as it just kind of turns out that way. I knew a lot of great engineers growing up back in Anchorage. There are normally people working the oil patch. But I like the way they approach problems, and that's kind of the way my brain worked as well. So it made sense. It clicked right away. I was definitely the type of person that I wanted to get my top grades, but I would do the bare minimum to do that. The advice I'd give myself is, focus less on just getting that grade and passing the test with top marks, and more about actually learning the material. Because if you build a great foundation of understanding, which is the important part, then I think it really helps later on in life when you're going and having to apply that.
Subscribe for more space.